So today in this video, I wanted to ask you a question, okay? Are you somebody who's thinking that should I post my personal pictures on Instagram or not, okay? Are you having those kind of thoughts right now? Then this video is for you, okay? Let me tell you something. Today, whatever you are seeing around you, okay? This is just because of society pressure or society conditioning, okay? They may not be your beliefs. They may be that people are posting, so you are posting, So in olden days, now let me take you to the olden days. If you go back to the olden days, you will see that people were living in the moments, right? They were not posting their personal pictures. They were having cars, they were having new computers. Like if you see about our grandparents' age, or maybe they are parents, okay, your great grandparents. So they used to not post. The technology was not there. They were living in the moment. They were enjoying each moment. There was no comparison. There was no such type of competition, There was only healthy competition. There was a lot of love. There was a lot of unconditional love between the families. There was a lot of unconditional love. If you see during that time, when the children were in schools, there was love between the friends also. It was because that there was no comparison in one's mind, okay? Today, if you see, everything is so much online that there has become comparisons, okay? There is so much of competition, again there is so much of gossiping. If somebody is talking something, when you listen to it, you may not like it, and then you feel that, oh, I lack this. So this arises from where? It arises from some kind of a lack mentality, okay? A lack kind of a behavior that it doesn't exist with me, okay? This is not there, like I don't have this in my life, okay? So you will have those feelings of lack. Then you will develop the feelings of insecurity. Then there will be jealousy, hatred, competition. Then everything will come. Even in Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna Bhagwan Ji has told Arjuna very, very clearly, okay, that you need to control these five senses, because the five senses play a lot, okay, if you don't control them, if you are not grounded in your energies. So here the message today is that you need to ground yourself, okay, a lot. And it is not necessary that if others are posting their pictures, you also post your personal life, because your personal life will also attract a lot of attention from the outsiders, from the people, also from the people whom you do not want them to see your pictures, right? Then again you will get